Hi everyone. Hi class. So I decided to do my lesson on Abraham Lincoln. So history/geography on Abraham Lincoln. My lesson plan is for first graders. As I mentioned, the subject is history, geography, and the focus, of course, is going to be a little bit about the life of Abraham Lincoln. The concept objectives. Students will learn about the life of Abraham Lincoln. They will learn why he was called Honest Abe and a general history of this individual. So let me just pause to say that a little bit of what I'm going to do is come up with funny stories. I've read a lot of funny stories on him, and I think that it's really great to have those kind of stories because they tend to stick to kids if they could connect a funny story to the individual. It's something that they probably won't forget. All right, so continuing, they will learn how to use a map to point out the places that Abraham Lincoln traveled through. They will trace the steps of Abraham Lincoln on Google Maps with their group. They will be able to answer questions based on the lesson. Lesson introduction. I will begin the lesson by having an image of Abraham Lincoln on our class screen projector, right? Assuming that there is a projector in the class, that's what I'm going to use. I will begin by asking the children if anyone recognizes this person and ask them what they know about him. So give them an opportunity to talk and see what they already know. I mean, they might know some stuff about him. I will then proceed to give them a verbal lesson on Abraham Lincoln. I will divide the class into groups and have them retrace the steps of Abraham Lincoln on Google Maps. For example, find where he was born, where he served as president, where he is buried, etc. So it's almost like creating a timeline with Google Maps. Then we will gather as a group again, and I will ask them questions on the lesson that they learned. So that's why I have a picture here kind of like of a treasure map, like they're going to be marking his steps. So, I think it's a pretty cool way for them to be able to visualize the lesson. That's it, and thank you so much for being part of my group, for helping me. I really appreciate all the help that I received from my group. They helped me out a lot. So I wish everyone the best of luck in everything that they do, and we'll probably see each other in other classes. So thanks. Bye, guys.